Good afternoon guys, Martin here with the new crypto update. Today's momentum is a little bit different from yesterday. All big cryptos are slightly down, but there are some outliers and we'll cover both the ups and downs today. But let's begin with the negative stuff and end with the positive. So here is the daily chart for Cardano and it's right now down 2%. Here's the red candlestick for the day and we are right at the 20-day EMA here. So we are a little bit above it, but it's a little hard to say here what's going on. So let's have a look at the 8-hour chart, and here it is. So what happened here yesterday was that we did not close above this trend line. We were above it here, but then we fell back. So we closed below it, and then that followed by 3 more negative candlesticks here. And right now we're actually outside of this pattern formation to the downside. So it's a little bit shaky here, still uncertain where we're headed next. But what needs to happen here in order for the bullish case to continue, that would be a close here above this high at 0.087 USD. So that's what we're hoping for here will occur. And let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is a very similar story here. This is the daily chart. Ethereum is down 2.5% right now. And we are also below the 20-day exponential moving average here. Is a green line here. And we should watch out here for the lower supporting trend line. This one right here. So we could potentially fall back here. That would be to around 219 and find support. And I also noticed this funny news here, or good news actually. The Maltese Prime Minister is a Bitcoin bull. So I just wanted to show you that. I'll give the link in the description box. But some good news there. Not many prime ministers bullish on Bitcoin. Let's head over here to TomoChain because some more amazing news here. This keeps on going here to the upside. We are up more than 20% right now, and we have clearly broken out here from this trading channel we've had for about a month here. So extraordinary bullish here right now. And yesterday we were right here in the red at this level here, but then we just shut up. So we closed yesterday on a very bullish note here, and then it just continued today, really going batshit crazy here. So and we don't have that much historical data older than July if we look at this chart back here. But let's look at CoinGecko because here's the data going back all the way to April. And we are right now trading around 39 cents. And we want to get up here to 50 cents. And we have a little peak here at 52.7 cents. So that would be my near-term target. But this could move very quickly because it's such a small coin. I think it's only 20 million market cap. So very interesting news here for TomoChain. Now let's head over to another coin. And it's Zilliqa. This is something here I want to show you. It's a new indicator, rather influencer I'm using, which I find very useful. And first of all, Zilliqa is ranked 34 in terms of market cap. And today we got some very nice volume here, clearly above the average here. And we've been up earlier today and probably about 5% up, but now we're slightly up about 1%. But here's how I found about Zilliqa, and I'm using this service from Twitter called Watson's Report, and it's a trend analysis bot, and it posts hourly reports on trending cryptos. So I want to show you one of these reports here where I found out about Zilliqa, and here it is. So first of all, they do have this top 10 most mentioned cryptos. And not too surprisingly, Bitcoin is at the top. And then we have Ripple and then Ethereum. But what I found here is this part of the report called Cryptocurrencies with the most positive sentiment. And here on the second place, we do have Zilliqa, CIL, right down here. You see the abbreviation. And it's 19.3% in terms of sentiment. That is the kind of data they're using here. So they find the feedback from Twitter with a positive sentiment. So you can use this in a bullish case, but there's also this cryptocurrencies with the most negative sentiment. So you can use this if you want to short cryptos as well. So very interesting. I want to show you the Watson report, and I'll give you the link in the description box so you can head over there and get hourly updates for Watson report. So we'll see what happens here with Zilliqa, but so far so good. And that is the latest I have for today, and I hope you have a great Monday here, and talk to you soon. Bye.